Hi, let's look at the form and survey content type using which you can easily collect all the information from your clients. Let's try creating one. So on the dashboard, you can choose the form and survey content type, which will take you to the template selection page or the layout selection page. This will only define the basic look and feel of your survey, which you can further customize to match your own branding guidelines. For now, I'm going to go with the first one here. So once you've selected the layout, it then takes you to the actual Outgrow builder where you can add all your questions and design the lead generation form. You'll see that on the left-hand side is where we have all these different sections like welcome screen, the questions, and the lead generation form. So to make any changes, you just have to highlight the section that you want to edit. Let's say I want to make changes to the welcome screen. I can simply click welcome screen here and I can type in my heading. I can have my own subheadings. The button text can be changed, and I can also add some media on the welcome screen, like an image or a video. Similarly, this is where I can add all my questions. Now, depending on the kind of information I want from these clients, I can choose from any of these question types. So let's say I can do single select here, and then I can add all my options for the users to choose from. Once I've added all the questions, I have a lead generation form here where I can collect their contact information, like their name, their email address, and I can easily add any custom fields to this lead gen form for, let's say, I also want to ask for their phone number. I can simply add the fields like this. Once they fill out the lead generation form, they can be taken to this custom thank you page where you can have your own images and the option for them to share this on social media. Now, what you can also do is disable the welcome screen, remove all the questions, and simply have a contact us form here. This way, this can be used as a simple contact us form without any questions or a welcome screen. So this is how you can add a simple form or survey on your website. Sign up for a free 7-day Outgrow trial today.